In case you want to restrict any specific product so that it cannot be purchased using any of your coupons, such as newer or exclusive products, you would normally have to edit the coupons individually to add the product to the excluded products field. Now imagine that you want to restrict 5 or more products. In such a case, you would have to open all your coupons and select the products in each of them, which would be tedious and time-consuming. In this video, we'll show you how to exclude certain products from applying coupons on your website. This will be possible thanks to the WP Sheet Editor Coupon Spreadsheet plugin. This is a very easy-to-use plugin that completely simplifies the way we handle our coupons, since we can apply changes to hundreds or thousands of coupons in just a few minutes. We'll leave you the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. You'll also find the link to our written guide. To exclude the products you want from all coupons, we'll use the bulk editing tool. Once the tool is open, select the option to edit all the rows from the current search. Then, select the field Exclude Products. Choose Set Value and enter any product IDs, titles, or SKUs. Note that if you enter more than one product, separate them using commas. Finally, just execute. As you can see, it's really simple to exclude specific products from all coupons with the WP Sheet Editor Coupon Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.